I dreamed of plantain banana. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
I'm a psychologist and I'll explain.
I dreamt of eating plantain bananas.
If you dream of eating plantain bananas, it might be a good idea to try eating them in real life. Food that appears in dreams could be something your body is subconsciously craving. By eating plantain bananas in reality, you can directly satisfy your desire.
Dream interpretation expert. According to Jung's theory, dreams symbolically express messages from the unconscious mind or the depths of the psyche. When food appears in a dream, it could be a sign urging attention to physical health and nutrition, but it could also represent a desire for mental satisfaction and fulfillment. Especially if a specific food like plantain bananas appears in a dream, it might be linked to particular emotions, experiences, or desires. For example, dreaming of plantain bananas could reflect a desire for fresh and nutritious food in real life. In this video, we will explain plantain banana dreams in the following order. Dreams of eating plantain bananas, followed by dreams of cooking, dreams related to sexual desire, dreams of planting a plantain banana tree, and dreams of harvesting ripe plantain bananas. Look for the part of your plantain banana dream that matches your situation and watch only the necessary parts.
Plantain bananas are also a bundle of energy in reality. Dreaming of eating or obtaining plantain bananas indicates that your current desire to satisfy is related to appetite.
I dreamt of buying plantain bananas.
Dreams of buying plantain bananas also represent a desire for them. If you can't get plantain bananas now, it's okay to eat regular bananas. And the state of the plantain bananas in your dream represents your level of stress.
If the plantain bananas in your dream are fresh and in good condition, it means you are in good health right now. It's time for the results of your hard work to finally take shape and be rewarded. Conversely, if the plantain bananas in your dream are old or rotten, it indicates that your physical or mental condition is not good.
I dreamt of cooking and then eating plantain bananas.
Also, if you cooked plantain bananas in your dream, the interpretation can change depending on how you cooked them. Cooking is something you think about and do with your hands. Dreaming of cooking indicates that you are actively engaged in something in the real world. It shows that you are not just passively facing situations, but are creatively involved. If the cooking in your dream went well, it's a sign that you are confident that what you are currently working on in the real world will succeed. Conversely, if the cooking didn't go well, it indicates a lack of confidence in what you are doing.
I've been feeling good lately. I eat plantain bananas in real life and also in my dreams.
That's very good. It means you have energy. Dreaming of eating or obtaining plantain bananas indicates that your current desires are being satisfied. If you eat plantain bananas in real life and also see them in your dreams, you are in a very good state. It's a good idea to try new things and believe in yourself. You are in a period where your power to earn money is increasing. Dreams of plantain bananas are related to your finances. If you dream of eating plantain bananas, it indicates that your financial worries are disappearing. Also, your mental state is in a very good period, so if you invite someone of the opposite sex to hang out, you can have a fun time.
Oh, you like Freud's dream interpretation. As expected, you say good things.
According to Freud's theory, seeing bananas in a dream is often associated with sexual symbols. Freud attempted to reveal unconscious desires and needs by interpreting the symbols in dreams. Especially, food and objects of certain shapes can be seen as manifestations of hidden sexual desires or repressed sexual energy. The specific meaning of a banana dream depends deeply on the dreamer's personal feelings and life situation, so the interpretation cannot be generalized. But Freud's theory suggests that such dreams can be an opportunity to explore one's sexual aspects and repressed desires.
I missed out on eating plantain bananas.
That's unfortunate. Dreaming of missing out on eating plantain bananas suggests that you are unable to obtain what you desire. Dreaming of having plantain bananas in front of you, but somehow not being able to eat them is a dream that accumulates stress.
Indeed, I'm not feeling well right now.
When you dream of not being able to eat plantain bananas, unfortunately, your health is not good. What you desire seems to slip through your hands and move far away. You might be losing sight of important things like work success, dreams, or a lover. You might need to be prepared to start over from the beginning. Dreaming of giving plantain bananas to someone indicates a desire to empower the person you gave them to in the dream. When you dream of eating plantain bananas with someone, it means you want to spend more time with that person. If you have time, it's a good idea to talk to the person who appeared in your dream in the real world and spend time together if possible. If the person smoothly accepts the plantain bananas in your dream, it's a good time to build a good relationship. Conversely, if you were rejected when trying to give plantain bananas in your dream, it's a good idea to be cautious in your relationships. Dreaming of cooking with plantain bananas indicates that your relationship with the person you were with in the dream is developing. Let's analyze your dream based on your impression of the plantain bananas that appeared in it. If you felt bad about the plantain bananas, it's a dream that occurs when there's a reason you dislike your job. It's good to consult with someone you trust in the same workplace and ask for their help. Dreaming of planting a plantain banana tree symbolizes a new beginning or growth. The banana tree represents fertility and abundance, suggesting that you are about to start a new project or relationship or embark on a journey of self-growth. The act of planting itself signifies effort and care, indicating that you are investing time and energy in that growth. This dream may also foretell that your efforts will bear fruit. Plantain bananas are rich in nutrients and symbolize the ability to bring essential nutrition and abundance to life. Therefore, this dream indicates that what you are currently working on may bring future rewards and satisfaction. Dreaming of harvesting ripe plantain bananas symbolizes that your efforts are bearing fruit. This dream suggests that the time, energy, or passion you invested in the past is finally being rewarded. The ripeness of the bananas means that a project or goal is complete and ready to be enjoyed. Harvesting represents abundance, satisfaction, and success, emphasizing the importance of acknowledging your achievements and enjoying the fruits of your labor. This dream may reflect the process of self-realization and stages of personal growth and development. Additionally, this dream may be sending you a message that patience is required to achieve goals. It may take time to see results, and the lessons and experiences learned along the way contribute to your inner growth. In conclusion, the meaning of plantain banana dreams is generally based on the desire to gain strength. Dreams of eating or buying plantain bananas, where you obtain plantain bananas, indicate that you are in a powerful period, suggesting that work will go well. Conversely, dreams of discarding or rotten plantain bananas in poor condition indicate that your power is declining. If you are in a romantic relationship, plantain banana dreams may represent the male genitalia, indicating that the dream is based on sexual desire.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psychologist explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.